there's something wrong with the plumbing in Cincinnati.
Hi, friends. I'm Becca. This is Ella. Hi, nice to meet you.
Glad to meet you.
You might not know about it, even if you've lived here your whole life.
That would be the farthest thing from anybody's mind, really.
But the people in charge know about it. Actually, they've known about it for decades, and it was supposed to be fixed by now.
Oh, there was so much angst between the city and the county.
We need to be able to put the past behind us so that we can move forward.
None of us can stop the rain falling from the sky, and it's falling on all of us.
Billions of gallons of raw sewage ends up in waterways every year.
And that's our backyard in this community.
They made a deliberate choice to build combined sewers.
And for some, that raw sewage is a lot closer to home.
Did you know that it was sewage?
Oh, yeah. When it's coming out of the drain down there, it's sewage.
Did it smell?
Oh, yeah. The stench was terrible.
I'm Becca Costello.
And I'm Ella Rowan.
And we host Backed Up, a 6-episode podcast from Cincinnati Public Radio, coming to you starting June 5th.
You can find it on wvxu.org or wherever you listen to podcasts.